Hey ladies and gents, welcome to the Klagenfurt Car Show. It's a smaller car fair, and we're looking here at the new Mazda 3 facelift. Now, this is the Nagisa trim, new trim, but we have the Mazda's official body kit. So this is like, for example, Mercedes-Benz, you have the AMG, so this is for the Mazda. I do not know the name, but they do sell the body kit officially from Mazda. So we're gonna check it out, and the front lip is something you notice, it's extended. So you can see it's actually extending through here. It is piano black. Now, just to focus on the car color, we have a metallic white color, it looks beautiful. We have the standard gray finish and surrounding around the grille. Now, this is piano black, and you can see this fits perfectly. So this is something you could fit on your car afterwards, after purchase, in the authorized service. So you can see here, or authorized dealership, of course. You can see the lip is in piano black. It has a little strike here at the center. So if I back up here, just to show you the car, I am a little bit space limited. I think I can manage. You can see it just gives it a little bit more aggressive look. I have more room here, so you can see the front lip. So it just extends a little bit and it looks really sporty. It feels like it's eating the air on the front, sucking it in. Now we have black alloys on the Nagisa, and then we have this skirt in piano black, and it's extending to the end and shifting upwards like a little wing here. You can see that. So it looks quite amazing. There is piano black metallic side contrasting mirrors. I think that was standard on the Nagisa. You can see here the trim spec. It is not listed. The aftermarket Mazda, aftermarket, its official body kit is not listed there, but the salesperson showed me on the official web page there is that trim. Now on the top here you can see also metallic black on the standard piano black spoiler there. This is an add-on. You can see it fits perfectly and it's flush. So you have the air tunneling there. The tip is going slightly upwards, and you have one strike, or the connecting point there above the stoplight. So you can see how that looks from different angles. If I back up. Now you can see the original diffuser. Now you might notice there's a gap between the exhaust pipe. This is because in this body kit you can get a wider exhaust, such as this one on the CX-5. They just didn't arrive, so they didn't put them on. But you can see also piano black goes perfectly with this white and black combo. And you have the cat eyes, you have the parking sensors there, so you can see how that looks. Now it has mesh design here, it's closed and here, but it matches the front. Also one strike there. Of course, wider exhaust pipe would fit perfectly here. Now this is just focusing on the body trim. I would turn the lights on, but the car battery isn't hooked to 12-volt chargers, so just think it just went off. I did film the B-roll, so you can see the Nagisa interior with the brown leather. Just a quick peek inside. I did review the Nagisa trim, different color of the new green color. So we're gonna wrap it here. Just wanted to show this because it does look beautiful. And I saw this before, but I wasn't sure if this was official Mazda body parts. And it turns out it is. So wanted to share it. If you like the video, do subscribe. Click the bell to get notified when I upload more videos. And check my Mazda 3 review. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.